It was a darkness night. My heart was beating, so was my love like. Looking into your eyes, black or brown, dead like night, I dreamed with my lightly looking, you as a being in love. You're saying beside looking like being into paradise, day and night. I was wondering how you are wonderful, as I always thought you and liked. When you shine, smile, I started to understand how beautiful you were as womankind. So hopes followed us, as me and you, we carried our next day and night. Seasons went after years and thinking common life. Within we had some happy, some sad, some middle time into each day and night. When sad, like storms kicking on the trees, we didn't let down our hopes and light. Then happy, we couldn't stop thinking about our goodness and sights. When middle like seasons of middle of cold and warmness, we kept going to moralize and smile to each other heart. Hardness time, it wasn't being forever on your sides, but in the middle and sad time, the burning of souls and hearts was for each of us losing of past, today and future times. Wish I was, I am, I will be careless, hopefulness and healthy times. For you, for me, for us, yesterday, today, tomorrow, forever during all times. Because we are, we were, we should always be hopefully to our each other's sides.